soup kitchens for needy people who did not, senior citizens or someone that was in need of a meal. I would help volunteer there, and those citizens could receive a hot meal daily up until the mission closed some few years ago. There's also the AR Men's Breakfast that I was a participant in before the council, and that has since died out, but I'd like to see that reinstated. It was a fellowship where men could get together in the community when things were needed, and no male figure was present to get things done, and that this group would kind of get together, and if it needed to be done, they would kind of take off after that project and get it done. But since I've been to the city council, Mr. Sanders stated that he feels like the citizens didn't have a voice. Well, the first thing I did was fought to get citizens wishing to be heard 3 months in the beginning of my first term. I'm glad to say that we have citizens wishing to be heard on the agenda. Anyone wishing to speak at the meeting can come and put their sign in and speak at the AR meeting today, because also we've had a sewer problem that's been overflowing ever since I've been a little boy, some 30 plus years. I'm proud to say that as of last year, I worked with people from RDC, and they come in and did some work, and we received a $300,000 grant, and we fixed that project. It's been laying raw sewage in our streets for over 30 years. I can go on and on and on, and I will a little bit later on